Hi everyone, I am Saeed from Hot Plate. Today I am going to make bacon cheeseburger, which is very yummy and I am sure you will love it. The mixture for this beef patty is your screen and I am going to show you what they are. The mixture for meat patty is salt, oregano, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, cumin and pepper flake. We are going to put the spices on patty. First, we are going to put cumin, half a teaspoon, paprika, half a teaspoon, pepper flakes, half a teaspoon, garlic powder, half a teaspoon, oregano, half a teaspoon, salt, half a teaspoon, onion powder, half a teaspoon. Now we mix everything together. We mix it well. Remember, when you choose the beef, 80% has to be the beef and 20% fat, so it will make a nice burger. Now the patty is ready. We are going to grill it now. I like mine medium raw. The choice is yours, what you like. I had preheat the pan. I had put oil on it. Now I am going to caramelize the onion. Now I am going to fry the bacon. I had preheat the grill. Now I am going to put the same oil which I use for frying my onion and bacon in. So it will be more tasty when I am frying my burger. Now I am going to put my burger in. This sauce is for the burger and that is very yummy. And the ingredient for this sauce is ketchup, mayonnaise, mustard, paprika, salt, pepper, garlic powder and lemon juice. Wow, what a burger! I am sure you will love it. I am Saeed from Hot Plate. Don't forget to like and subscribe.